Hello everyone, this is Naveen Reddy. For the purpose of mentioned topic, I've done a project so-called cloud-based bus system based on cloud computing. So myself, Naveen Reddy, and my batchmate is Derish. We are supervised by Mrs. Shantana S. And I'm currently working as a full stack developer intern at ITOS Technology Solutions located in Kolkata, Chennai. So this was my industry details, and my industry supervisor was telling me that. So the basic abstract of our project is like cloud-based bus system is a real-time, it's a website project. So it will be useful for the people who are facing problems with the current work of a bus pass system in bus stations. So it makes very easy for a person to travel with a generated e-pass which was downloaded in his mobile phone. So the unique identification number, which is known as an Aadhaar number, which was uh, which was given as a column at the time of registration. The user need to enter a valid Aadhaar number. So in India, the Aadhaar number is different for each and every people. So that based on that number, that TT can check with the admin whether the number matches with the database or not. So initially, passengers need to register for the website. Those registration details will be considered for the bus pass registration. And the main aim of the project is to construct a web application so that it will be useful for the people who are traveling daily to their places like schools, workplaces, etc. The scope of the project is to develop an fast generation system. So it reduces paperwork, time consumption, and all this process. And main thing, it reduces manual work and do the things faster. So sometimes many websites get overloaded due to number of clicks. So we have been deployed this project in cloud so that no restrictions, all these things will be there. And under the this is the basic intro, like cloud-based bus pass system deployed in AWS, which is known as Amazon Web Services. This in the under that Amazon Web Services, we have created an EC2 instance. That instance accesses both software and hardware to the service. So, like this website is deployed on AWS and hosted on that itself, and all the user details has been stored in that particular type of AWS storage. And using this website, all can check the details, bus pass renewal, all can access. These are the basic literature review papers we have reviewed for our project. The first one is IT ticket classification for simpler the better. They have used TF IDF procedure. And the second one is smart e-ticketing system for public transport bus. So an e-ticket has been generated for this project. And the third one is construction for providing the usability of mobile-based e-tickets. So this is a plug-in, plug-out procedure where the user need to show the generated bus pass at the door of the bus. And the fourth one is privacy and preserving ticket spinner with attribute-based credentials. This one is a security model. And the fifth one is cloud storage for secure data sharing across platforms. So this is based on the cloud computing project website. And the final one is an innovative micro-location mobile solution based on NFC and BLE technologies. So under the modules, the step one is developing a wireframe. Wireframe is known as a skeleton page of a website where a developer need to draw all the type of things in a paper. It's like a research thing. After that, he used to map the wireframes which he has drawn on the paper. Uh, then the developer used to lay out all those pages, review, iterate, and then he'll go for the building part. And the implementation part first, the, the developer needs to build all the front end according to the client requirements, like sign-in page, module page, all those things. So after that front end, we have used deployed in cloud. So under AWS, we need to create an EC2 instance, and then we used to create a database like bus ticket. Under that, we used to deploy and storage data has been formed. So these are the standards and policies which we have taken for this project. First one is Python, and the next one is Visual Studio Code. So this is the basic textual diagram of our project. There were two different modules. One is new user, one is existing user. Under the new user, a login page has been there and a registration form. After that, a verification has been done and automatically redirects to the payment page. If the payment was successful, bus pass has been generated for the new user. When it comes to the existing user, he need to log in for the page. Under the renewal form, he needs to fill all he need to verify after payment. This has been done. So this is the basic architecture of a project. And this is the data flow diagram where a TT is an object added to the data flow diagram. So this TT will verify the ticket valid details. And when it comes to use case diagram, we have two use cases, user and admin, where the user needs to get access to sign up page, form registration page, payment page, and logout page. And the admin will be access to authentication page and bus pass and written page. So this is the class diagram of our project where the booking, cancellation, payment, passenger are the main classes. Activity diagram where these have two phases. The first one is start, register, under register, pass receives mobile and ticket gets on hand. So that's one is for generating, and the next one is for verification part where the TT used to verify the ticket which was shown by the client. So this is a sequence diagram where user BPMA website and BusPass BPMA is known as BusPass management website. So these are the three objects, main objects in the sequence diagram. And the collaboration diagram is like this thing. And under testing, we have performed three types of testing. The first one is unit testing, which was performed for the smallest unit of software design. And the compatibility testing is performed like it was like we have opened this website in different systems with different web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, so that we came to know that our website is opening in many different websites. And this is a load testing we have done manual. This is also called manual testing. If we consider the test case scenario one, if the user enter both username and password valid, the login will be successful. If both were invalid, it will show invalid. So this type of manual testing. So this is the input design where we have done for our website where the user need to pick his from and to locations. This is the output design which the user will get like from location is from Adayar and the second location is from Ambattur. His name, email, all those things he need to enter and he need to do that. And the conclusion is a real-time project which is useful for the public who are facing real-time problems with the current manual work. So it also increases validity period and frequently wants the user to update renewal his pass. So many future enhancement has been done for this project. The first one is real-time response tracking, and the next one is automatic alerts, and third one is integration with other transport modes, and the fourth one is one support. And this is for the passengers who are non-native speakers of the primary language. These are the references we have gone through for that project. These are the references which are previously discussed in literature review part. These photos in our industry which are work from home, offer letter, post, and let me show you my demonstration. So this is our website where the user need to locate like one location into location. If the user from Adambakam and he need to travel to Ambattur, then he need to locate and he need to click on apply. Pass will be generated, and the main homepage module has been done where it's a like online bus pass system where the user can go to all the things. And this is the website, and this is the basic user guide like how your user need to apply for a bus pass in the website. So this is the basic thing. User guide has been there in the website. And this is a contact us page where if the user got any query, he can contact us by entering the valid details. One of our technical team will connect to him and he'll technical team and he'll contact them.